Then what is a chemical change? A chemical change, as the name suggests, brings a change in the chemical composition of a matter. Actually, the substances which are participating in a chemical change have to combine with each other. During this, there is an exchange of their constituents and new substances are formed. This means that chemical changes occur on account of a chemical reaction. So, in a chemical change, a new substances are formed. These cannot be easily reversed for of their own. Some energy changes also occurs. That means a chemical change is a permanent change in which new substances are formed. The new substances shows composition and properties which are completely different from those of the original substance. In short, we can define those changes in which new substances are formed are called chemical change. In physical change, we have seen those substances in which no new substances are formed are called physical change. Here, those changes in which new substances are formed are called chemical changes. In a chemical change, the substance involved change their identity. So, those substances which undergo chemical change undergo change or they lose their identity. They get converted into entirely a new substances. So they completely converted into a new substance. The new substance usually cannot be returned to their original form. That means they cannot reverse back. It is an irreversible change. It is an irreversible change. This means that chemical changes are usually irreversible. Chemical changes are usually irreversible. Some common examples are burning of coal, burning of candle, rusting of metal, explosion of firecrackers, decomposition of organic matter, ripening of fruits, burning of paper, formation of curd from milk, cooking of food. All these are chemical change. So, these changes are not a reverse back. We know that when a coal is burned, it cannot be reversed back. Ripening of fruit, it cannot be a reverse back. So all these are a permanent change. All these changes are permanent changes. So all the chemical changes are named as chemical reactions. All these changes are chemical reaction. Chemical changes are also called chemical reaction. So all of you know that in a chemical reaction, new substances are formed when they combine. So in a chemical reaction, different substances are combining together and new substance is formed. So what we get after a chemical change is a new substance. If suppose hydrogen and oxygen are combined together. Hydrogen and oxygen are entirely different substance. When they combine together through chemical change, it forms as water, H2O. It is not giving the identity of hydrogen or oxygen. It is entirely a new substance, that is water. Hydrogen is a gas, oxygen is another gas. When they combine together, we got a liquid state, that is water. So water does not show any property of hydrogen or oxygen. It shows the property of water. That means entirely it is changed or entirely different from the combining substances. So the chemical reactions produces a new substance with a new and different physical and chemical properties. So they exhibit new physical and chemical property. So entire property is changed, but in a physical change the entire property doesn't change and it is reversed back. In a chemical change, all the property is changed and it is a new substance is formed. That means the chemical changes are permanent change which are usually irreversible. They are irreversible. So let us discuss some characteristics of physical change. Here there is no new substance is formed and there is no change in the composition of the substance. So it can be reversed back. The properties of the substance remains the same. Ice and water both having same property. When the ice melts, it forms into water. Water, when they freezes, it changes into ice. That means the property is not changing. The change is temporary or reversible, but not always. It is a temporary change. It can be reversed back. Exceptions are there. There may be change in size, shape and state of substance during physical change. During the physical change, we can observe sometimes there is a change in the size or shape or there is a state change. Melting of ice means the state is changed from a solid to liquid. Then tearing of paper means the change is occurring to the size or shape of the paper. So only physical quantities or physical states are changing. Which are the physical state? Shape, size, appearance, texture, density, all these are physical appearance or physical states. All these are changing and it can be reversed back. So such type of changes we call them as physical change. There may or may not be any exchange of energy during a physical change. Here there is no exchange of energy takes place. There is no exchange of energy takes place during this physical change. What are the chemical changes characteristics? This is a permanent and irreversible change. It is a permanent and irreversible change. And one or more new substances are formed. You know that in a chemical reaction, more substances are formed. There is an exchange of energy during a chemical change. During the combination or burning of paper, large amount of heat is produced. So there is a release of heat. So an exchange of energy is formed. This means that the heat or light or both might be given out or consumed. Certain reaction, heat is absorbed. In some other reaction, heat is released. So anyway, there is an exchange of energy takes place during a chemical change.